Hello. Today I'm just doing a short video to go over this worksheet, Ecosystem Level Organization. And all this is trying to look at the different levels of how we classify and structure ecosystems. So what is an ecosystem? I guess that's the first thing. And it talks about an ecosystem here, but what we really want to think about is an ecosystem is an area where animals live, and it includes all the living things in that area and all the non-living things. But we'll see we can break it down further than that. So we're going to start at the most basic, which is an individual. In an ecosystem, when we talk about an individual, we're just talking about one living creature. Now that could be an animal like a bear, it could be a single plant, it could be a single microbe. But that's the individual level. That's the first level of an ecosystem. The next level is population, and that's one group of a single species. So for instance, if I'm talking about a population, it might be a population of elk, but a population of elk that live together. So not all elk in the whole world, but a population of elk that live together. The next level is community, and community is all of the different populations of species living in an area. So these are all the living things. These could be populations of plants, populations of fish, populations of birds, populations of elk, all living in the same area. That's a community. And then finally, the next step higher is taking that community and including all the non-living things. There's a lot of non-living stuff. We think of rocks, we think of parts of the soil, air, water. These are all essential, but non-living components of an ecosystem. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take this paper, and based on each picture, you're gonna label it one of those four levels: individual, population, community, or ecosystem. So for example, this first one, I only have an individual koala there. So I just write individual. This next one, it looks like I have multiple different things that are alive. So this could be a community because I see lots of zebras, I see giraffes, I see elephants here. But I also see some non-living things also, right? Rocks, water, air. So this could be either a community or an ecosystem. It depends on how you think about it. I noticed the living thing, so I'm just gonna think about it as a community. Saying that what I'm talking about here is just the living things in this picture, all the different populations of living things. And you're just gonna label each one of those and each one of the images on the back. All right, thank you very much.